Listen to that birdie singing. It's coming from the trees. There's a busy band that's buzzing amongst the flowers. Oh, it's the bees. Leaves are dancing as the wind twirls them round. Ants go marching 2 by 2 on the ground. The sun is shining and inviting. So won't you come with me and sing the songs in my backyard, where you were always welcome here in my backyard. Hello, it's so nice to see you today. Welcome to my backyard. The sun is shining and the birds are singing. Can you hear them? I can't wait to make music with you today. Would you like to make music with me? Oh, wonderful. I see in front of me all of these scarves. Let's count how many scarves we see today. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 colorful scarves. I'm going to pick one to use. I'm gonna choose, what color is this? That's right, it's purple. You know what we can do with scarves? We can play peekaboo. Will you try that with me? Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peeka, peeka, peekaboo. Something else that we can do with scarves is scrunch them up really, really small in a tiny, tiny ball. And then we can throw them up in the air. Did you notice how they fall down? Let's do it again. Let's scrunch your scarf in a ball. Scrunch the scarf in a ball. Scrunch the scarf in a ball and throw it up way up high. You can do this at home. Even if you don't have a scarf, you can use tissues. Isn't that so fun? Let's take a quick breathing break. Take a big, deep breath with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and blow it all out. Good job. Wow, friends, I have something new in my basket today. Let's take a look. Oh, wow, I see animals, and they're all different types. The first one I have is an elephant. Can you say elephant? Very good. What sound does the elephant make? That's right, he goes, It's a very silly sound, I know. Maybe we can sing our song about the animals. Do you know which one I'm thinking of? That's right. We're gonna sing a little Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had an elephant, E-I-E-I-O, with a blue here and a blue there, here a blue, there a blue, everywhere a blue. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Let's see what's next. Oh, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had a tiger, E-I-E-I-O, with a roar here and roar there, here a roar, there a roar, everywhere a roar. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on this farm he had a bunny, E-I-E-I-O, with a hop, pop here and a hop pop there. Here a hop, there a hop, everywhere a hop hop. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a doggy, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great job! Thank you so much for helping me identify all of the animals. We're gonna sing bye-bye animals, bye-bye animals, bye-bye animals. We'll see you next time. Good job. Sometimes when it's raining outside, I'll go out and open my mouth like this. And catch some raindrops. Have you ever done that? Yeah, it's pretty fun. Let's try singing a song about opening our mouths when it rains. We also have to make a really silly sound. Will you try it with me? Let's practice first. It's pretty silly, isn't it? Let's try singing our song now. If all of the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. I'd step outside with my mouth open wide, singing ah, 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 ah. If all of the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Let's do it one more time. I'd step outside with my mouth open wide, singing ah, 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 ah. If all of the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Great job using your mouth to make that sound and to catch raindrops. We're going to sing a song called Frère Jacques, or Are You Sleeping? Can you pretend like you're sleeping? Can you close your eyes? Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Now we're waking up. Somme la mattina, din din don, din din don. Good job. Let's do it one more time. Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Let's wake up. Somme la mattina, din din don, din din don. Thanks for singing in French with me. You have such a beautiful voice. Now let's try the song in English. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. Good job. Now the time has come to say so long, but before I go, there are 3 things I want you to know. You are strong, you are kind, and you are loved. Bye, friends. We'll see you next time. So won't you come with me and see the songs in my backyard, where you were always welcome here in my backyard.